Stop watching tutorials. Start doing real bioinformatics. In the next hour, you will complete your first bioinformatics project. Most beginners stay stuck because they only learn theory. Knowledge without action does not build skill. So let's fix that with one simple project. You will retrieve a DNA sequence, run BLAST, and understand the result. Go to NCBI and search for a gene. Copy the DNA sequence. Paste it into BLAST and run the analysis. Look at matches, similarity scores, and organism identity. You just completed your first bioinformatics project. You are no longer just learning, you are doing. But this is just the beginning. Imagine doing more projects like this and building real skills. Download the free Bioinformatics Starter Pack below. It includes a full guide, practice tasks, and your beginner roadmap. This skill can open doors to research and global opportunities. But only if you start now. EduInteractAI is here to guide your journey. Download the guide and start your journey today.